Okay, let's create ship. We need to inflate another balloon and leave an allowance at the end, approximate 3 to 4 inches. Okay? So first step is you need to create a face of a balloon. A shape. Face of a shape. Okay, this will serve as the face. Now let's create the head. First is you need to create 2-inch bubbles. So create another 2-inch like this. And now let's create a big loop. I think 3 inches loop would be fine. Just like that. And let's create another loop here, which is the same size. And now you need to arrange first before we put this one for the head of the ship. Okay, so here we go. So slowly you need to put these 2 small bubbles here inside, just like that. And just do the same thing, put it inside as well on the other side. So we created the head of a ship. And of course you need to pull this out so that it will stay the balloon for the head, just like that. Careful, of course, extra careful. So I think we are done, and that's it, the head of the ship, our ship. See, the head and the face. Now last part, the legs. Create 2 inches bubble, 2 inches bubble like this, and just do the same thing, 2 inches like that, and that's it, the ship. See, the ship. Wow, cutie ship.